How to make a Google form not require a sign in. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily make your Google form to not require a sign in option. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your browser and just search in for Google Forms. So once you search in, just click on the first link as usual and just make sure you sign into your account and just you can simply open any of your draft form which you already have created. So to convert your option, simply head over to your responses option, settings. So once you head over to your settings, just scroll down and then now you have to click on this responses option. And from over here, what you can do is you can simply make sure you disable this option. As you can see, I've already disabled it. So what it basically does, the respondents will not be required to sign in if you disable it. So to check that, first let me just save it. As you can see, now let me just copy the link and the responder link. So simply copy it and I will just open it in my incognito mode where my account hasn't been signed in or synced in. So as you can see, it has been easily been accessed without requiring a sign in. I can easily access this form, Google form. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.